Okay, so I'm just going to work through the first 4 problems on the homework so that you can kind of see what we're doing. So for all of these, the first thing that I'm going to do is draw the corresponding special right triangle. So right here, it tells us that we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So I'm just going to draw that out so that I can see what I'm working with. So if we have our 90 degrees, we've got 45, 45. In our notes, it tells us that 45, 45, 90 triangles have legs that are just going to be n. So they're congruent to each other. And then our hypotenuse is going to be n square roots of 2. So on this triangle right here, the side that it gives us is going to be this long side right here, which is our hypotenuse. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this 18 equal to this n square roots of 2. So we're going to have n 18 equal n square roots of 2, and we're just going to solve for n. So to solve for n, we are going to divide both sides by the square roots of 2, which leaves us with n equals 18 over the square root of 2. This isn't in simplest radical form, so we need to rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the top and bottom by the square root of 2. That leaves us with 18 square roots of 2 over 2. We can simplify that a little bit further by saying 18 divided by 2 is 9, and we've got the square root of 2 still. So we know that n equals the square root of 2, which means that if y equals n, then y equals 9 square roots of 2. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to draw this out. So we've got our 45, 45, 90. This is n, and n square roots of 2. So this long side right here corresponds with this n square roots of 2. So that means we're going to have 11 square root of 2 equal to n square root of 2. So when we do that, we are going to divide both sides by the square root of 2. Since we have a square root of 2 on the top and the bottom, that just leaves us with n equals 11, so we can cross those out. Okay, from here, we're looking for y still. That y is still going to equal n, so that means that y equals 11. Okay, for our 30, 60, 90 triangles, we've got for 30, 60, 90, we're going to have n as our small side, n square roots of 3 as our longer side, and 2n as our hypotenuse. So on this triangle, it gives us our hypotenuse. So we're going to set this 36 equal to 2n. So we've got 36 equals 2n, and we're just going to solve for n. So we're going to divide both sides by 2, which leaves us with n equals 18. Okay. From here, it's asking us for our smaller side, and we know that our smaller side equals n. So that means that x equals 18. Okay. And this one down here, we've got our 30, 60, 90 again. We've got n as our small side, n square roots of 3 as our longer side, and 2n as our hypotenuse. So it gives us our hypotenuse. So we're going to set this 14 equal to this 2n again. So if we have 14 equals 2n, we're going to divide both sides by 2, which leaves us with n equals 7. Okay, and from here, we're going to set this y equal to n square root of 3. So if we have y equals n square roots of 3, we're going to plug in what we know about n, which is that n is 7, which leaves us with y equals 7 square roots of 3. Okay. So I hope this helped. If it didn't, please email me so I can figure out a way to help you.